clay, basically. It comes down to the top stuff, we get the clay from, the Cornish clay, falls up to the snow process. That's a process we call global. Global goes back to 1836, even older than we are, the company. It's mixed with asphalt and basically bone ash. That's what gives it kind of examine any of this sort of stuff. You'll come around this bit, it basically holds that in place and it cleans the rough edge off the sauce. You can see around about the 80s, 90s. Again, I mean, we all, on average, 20-30% of our depending on the product. Again, if we remade this machine now, it wouldn't be any better than this. So once this is all done, I mean, just want to give it up on this. Once this is done and painted up again and it's put back to life, you won't find a better machine. So again, we've got an engineer at the moment working on this, and hopefully the next month or two, you'll have track will be in, and you'll see another cut plant going in. But again, we should up the capacity. With that busy, sitting on the clay side, we're actually, and the gloss side, we're working 7 days a week. So, we can't scale. So we went back to class that here. That's basically, that's the clay one. That's the clay. That's actually the goes in. So China doesn't like over here. It costs a fortune, but they say, because it's 90% more efficient, we've saved a fortune as well. So it's, you know, we're allowed to paint ourselves to do it quickly. So this one is all computerised. So around the eyes that goes through, we set the photographs. These actually change the position of the angles to make sure it didn't go through there. It's been preheated through here. So we've run it back to front now. We actually found out through trialing that it's better working it backwards. And that's why the back end of there looks a bit of a bodge at the moment. That's the final heat, but we're going to get to there. But what you'll have is, again, one person, this is turned on, it's quite a loud thing. Basically, it vibrates quite a lot, basically. And when you get the pieces come off the kiln initially, you'll feel that they've got rough bits and lumps and bumps on them. So if you actually feel that, folks, really quickly, but they're quite rough when they first come off. Yeah. Some more than others, and it actually goes through this process here, goes in there, and that basically is doing that. It's rubbing around the whole thing. When it comes out the other end, it's a lot smoother, basically. That's one process to actually get it pure, get the product pure. Last stage, people are all very fascinated by, you know, trying to old things or whatever. So what we're doing here, it's actually selected, coming off the kiln, selected, through the vibro, selected, into here, selected. So all these sets of hands, all these eyes are looking over stuff. And these guys basically look, if there's any impurities there, and they'll polish and grind it away. Then, once that's done, you get to go into that room there. So a bench. So anything that we call machine make has to be slip cast. So again, you'll have a series of moulds on here. I mean, some items that we make, like teapots, they'll be continually being cast. You know, you can't make them quick enough. So again, everything has to be. But it makes you have a team of ladies here. Again, all these jobs, you can't actually run it down. People will not see what goes on in making something. So when the stuff comes through and it's got all these seams and things on there, these ladies are tasked to be, you know, serious things like the ambi.